Hi children, in this video we are going to discuss the problems from 24th onwards. Okay, see here what is the 24th question. In a triangle PQR, so here they given the triangle name. So that is triangle PQR. P, Q and this is R. Okay, now PQ is equals to PR. So PQ is equals to PR. These two are equal sides. Now here Q is twice that of P. Q is twice that of P. Then angle Q is equals to. Okay. So here Q is twice that of P. So here let angle P is equals to some X. Why? Because Q is comparing with P, no? So that's why first we have to take that P value. So angle P is equals to X. Now here Q is comparing with P. So Q is 2 times of P. Okay. So Q is equals to 2X. Okay. Then angle Q is equals to 2X. Why? Because twice they are saying. Twice means 2 times, no? So that's why. Okay. So here this is X and this is 2X. So here R. What about that R? Why? Because one see that question here they given that PQ is equals to PR. PQ is equals to PR, which means here these two sides are equal, means that is which type of triangle? Yes, first we have to identify that is which type of triangle. So that is isosceles triangle. So in an isosceles triangle base angles are equal. So that's why here 2x is equals to 2x. Okay. Why? Because given triangle is an isosceles triangle. Given triangle is an isosceles triangle. Okay. So that's why here base angles are equal, no? Now we know that what we know here, angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equals to 180 degrees according to that angle sum property. So here angle P is equals to X plus angle Q is equals to 2X plus angle R is equals to 2X, which is equals to 180 degrees. So here X plus 2X which is equals to 5X. So 5x is equals to 180 degrees. So from this one first need to find that x value. So here x is equals to 180 by 5. Okay, so 5 ones and here 5 how many times cancels here? 5 3s 15 and 5 6 30. Okay, so 5 36 180. So the value of x is equals to 36 degrees. Now what they are asking here? They are asking that then angle Q is equals to, so angle Q is equals to, we taken the 2x, no? So angle Q is equals to 2x where x is equals to 36. So 2 into 36 is equals to 72 degrees. 2 into 36 is equals to 72 degrees. So that is the value of Q, no? So which option is correct here? Yes, that is option A is correct here. Is it clear to you? Okay. So yes, next question is the value of XYU, angle XYU. So here we can observe that XYU. So here angle we need to find out. Okay, in the given figure. So actually this is the given figure, no? So we need to find here angle. So let's see here. First they given the condition is XY is equals to YZ. Okay, given that XY, that side is equals to YZ. So these two are of equal length they are saying, no? So equal length means which type of triangle that is? Yes, that is isosceles triangle. That is an isosceles triangle. Okay. Now here this is 30 degrees. That's why here also angle is equals to 30 degrees only, no? Why? Because here base angles are equal. So that's why here therefore angle X is equals to angle Z, which is equals to 30 degrees. Is it clear to you children? Okay. So here this is 30 degrees and this is 30 degrees. So what about this angle here? Okay. So we know that the condition, we know that angle X plus angle Y plus angle Z is equals to 180 degrees. We know this condition. So here angle X is equals to 30 degrees plus angle y, write it as it is, plus angle z is equals to 30 degrees, which is equals to 180 degrees. So from this one, what is the value of y here? So angle y is equals to here 30 plus 30, 60. So 180 minus 60. Okay, so here 180 minus 60 is equals to 120 degrees. So angle y is equals to 120 degrees. Is it clear to you? So here we got that angle y is equals to 120 degrees. Now what they are asking here? Yes, we need to find that x, y, u, which means here this angle we need to find out. Okay, so this is some, let it be a, small a. Okay, now here at the point y, at y, here we can say that a plus 120 degrees is equals to 180 degrees. What is the reason? Means a linear pair. Reason is a linear pair. So here a is equals to 180 degrees minus 120 degrees. So here a is equals to 180 minus 120, that is equals to 60 degrees. Is it clear, children? So here what is that value here? A is equals to 60. A means here angle x, y, u is equals to 60. So which option is correct? Yes, option D is correct here. Okay, so let us see the next one. So children, see here, in triangle ABC, they are saying that BAC, which means here angle is equals to 90 degrees they are saying. Okay, now here AD is perpendicular to BC, that is AD is perpendicular to BC, symbol missed here, so that is AD is perpendicular to BC. Now here if BAD is equals to 40 degrees, BAD, so this angle they given, no? So I am changing the color, see here. So here this angle they given that how much? 40 degrees. That angle is equals to 40 degrees. This complete angle is equals to 90 degrees. Out of that 90 is divided into two parts, no, not equal parts. Why? Because AD is that perpendicular bisector only, not here that is angular bisector. Angular bisector only divides that angle into two equal parts. Okay, so here that's why here this angle is divided into two different parts. So one of the part is equals to 40. So what about that another part? So the complete angle is equals to 90. So this is 40 means 90 minus 40, 50 degrees. Okay, now we have that angle also, no? Now what they given another thing? Angle BAD is equals to 40. Then angle ACD value we need to find out. ACD. So here angle we need to find out. Okay, so simply, so children see here this is a 50 degrees and this angle we need to find out. So let it be some x, and here this is a 90 degrees means obviously here also angle is equals to 90 only, no? Why? Because at the point D, that one is here a linear pair only, no? So here already they given perpendicular bisector means this is 90 degrees and this is 90 degrees. So on a straight line at that point the total angle is equals to 180 degrees. Okay, so here this is also 90 degrees and we know that 50 degrees. What we have to find? Yes, ACD. So here this x we need to find out. So here we need to take that in triangle ACD or ADC, your wish, that is ADC. Here angle A plus angle D plus angle C is equals to 180 degrees. So this condition we know that according to that angle sum property. According to that angle sum property. So here angle A is equals to, we know that 50 degrees plus angle D is equals to 90 degrees plus angle C is equals to x is equals to 180 degrees. So here 90 plus 50 is equals to 140 degrees plus x is equals to 180 degrees. So x is equals to 180 degrees minus 140 degrees. So which is equals to 180 minus 140, which is equals to 40 degrees. So here x is equals to 40 degrees. Okay, so which option is correct? Yes, option A is correct here. Is it clear, children? So let us see that next question. Okay, see here. One of the exterior angle of a triangle is, one of the exterior angle of a triangle. So let it be sum here. This is that exterior angle that is equals to 70 degrees. Now interior opposite angles, to this angle interior opposite angles means these two angles only, no? Okay, these two are in the ratio 2:5. 2:5 means this is 2x and this is 5x. Why? Because let the angle be x. Let the angle be x. Okay, now here that's why this is 2:5, no? So 2x and this is 5x. And we know that, what we know the condition here? We know that 70 degrees is equals to 2x plus 5x. Why? Because this is related to exterior angle theorem. What is that exterior angle theorem? What is that exterior angle theorem? An exterior angle of a triangle is equal to its interior opposite angles. Okay, so interior opposite angles sum, that is equals to exterior angle. So here 70 degrees is equals to 5x plus 2x is equals to 7x. So from this one, x is equals to 70 and multiplication become as division, no? So that's why here that is by 7. So 7 ones and 7 tenths. So here x is equals to 10 degrees. Now what we have to find out? Yes, those angles we need to find out. Okay, so 2x is equals to 2 into 10, which is equals to 20. And here another one is 5x, no? So 5 into 10 is equals to 50. So two angles we got, but here they asked that all the angles. These two angles we got, but in a triangle we have three angles, no? So we need to find third angle also. So here third angle is equals to sum of all angles is equals to 180 degrees, no? So 180 minus 50 plus 20 is equals to 70 degrees. So which is equals to 110 degrees. Okay, so what are the angles here? The first angle is 20 degrees. Next one 50 degrees, another one is 110 degrees. It's a complete sum is equals to 180, no? So 110 plus 50, 160, 160 plus 20, 180. So here which option is correct? Yes, option A is correct here. Is it clear, children? Okay, so let us see that next question. So here, side BC of a triangle ABC has been produced to point D. So what they given in that diagram, that's what they given in that question. If the angle ACD, here A is missed, so ACD is equals to 115 degrees and acute A is equals to 45 degrees, then the angle at C. So directly also we can find that angle at C they are asking, no? So at that point C, here we have that two adjacent angles. So those two adjacent angles forms here linear pair, no? So linear pair means let it be some x. So here x plus 115 is equals to 180 degrees. What is the reason? Means linear pair. Okay, so here x is equals to 180 degrees minus 115. So 180 minus 115, that is equals to 65 degrees. Okay, so what is the value of x here? X is equals to 65 degrees. So which option is correct? Yes, option A is correct. So children, in that next video we will discuss that next 29 onwards the problems, 29, 30, 31, 32. 4 problems we will discuss in that next video. Why? Because those 4 also related to some word problems. So that's why we will discuss that one in another video. Okay.